Welcome back to the channel where I help you make and manage money in the most efficient way. On this channel, we'll cover everything from some great side hustles to some awesome remote job leads, how to make money investing in the stock market, and how to pursue financial independence. And today, I'm really excited to share a really awesome remote job opportunity for those who want to work from home. Before I start, I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you to those who have liked, subscribed, and commented. It really encourages me to produce this content, so keep those likes and subscriptions coming. Another quick housekeeping note is that many of you have commented and enjoyed the Telus International video, and you've asked for more information. So please know that I am working on that content. It is coming soon. For that particular video, there is a lot of info to cover, so I want to make sure that it's done right. So I'm taking my time, but just know that it will be released soon. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't seen it yet, then definitely check out my video about Telus International to learn more information about how you can make some money while sitting on your couch. But today I'm going to jump into a great remote job opportunity. And if you would like more content like this, then please, once again, like and subscribe. It really lets me know what kind of content that you're looking for. So today, I want to talk about a company called Notarize. So Notarize is a leader in online notarization, which is simpler, smarter, and safer than notarizing documents on paper. So from buying or selling a home to adopting a child, Notarize is bringing trust online 24/7 for life's most important moments. So really quickly, if you're like me and you've ever tried to find a notary, it's one of the most annoying things, right? You have to either go to a bank, or you have to go to some random person, or you have to search online, or somebody has to come to your house. But Notarize is changing the game by providing that entire process online. I like to cover jobs or side hustles that I have personally done or that I would do if I had more time. And today, Notarize fits the latter. I haven't done Notarize myself, but from learning about the company and from what I'm about to show you today, you can see why this is something that if I had more time, I would definitely look into it. So first, let's go into Notarize careers. And I really want you to notice something that's really cool. So first, I want you to take a look and see that Notarize has gotten recognition as one of the best places to work. Even as a startup company, they've gotten recognition already from Glassdoor or from Fortune 100. And then now let's go back up and let's search for jobs. And this is really the cool part. The thing that's really cool about Notarize is that basically all their jobs are remote. In areas of customer success, remote. Customer support, remote. Engineering, finance, learning and development, marketing, people operations, sales operations. So almost all of their positions are remote. So definitely depending on your skill level or your background, it's worth it to go through this and check it out because all of these positions are remote, which means you could work from the comfort of your own home. And again, this is a startup with a lot of good reviews, and I think they're going to revolutionize the industry. And so this is something that you should definitely think about being a part of. Now, there's something really exciting about Notarize that I really want to talk about. So Notarize, not only does it have these careers that are all mostly remote, but Notarize also provides a platform for those who are themselves notaries. So if you are actually a notary or you're thinking about starting a business as a freelance notary, then definitely look into joining their network. So what I like about Notarize is you could pursue it either as a career or you could pursue it as a side hustle. Now here's some more information about how you as a notary can use Notarize to support your business or start your freelancing business. So you just come here, you create an account, real simple stuff. Now one thing to mention that for now they're only commissioned in a couple of states. So you would have to be living in these states, Florida, Nevada, Texas, Virginia, to sign up. But I saw on the website as well that they're looking to add more states. So definitely stay tuned if you're not in one of those states. And now just to provide you some more information, just so you know. So what they have is something called the On-Demand Notary Network. So essentially you would work as an independent contractor. And so independent contractors on a Notarize platform pay $0 in sign-up fees. You will have free access to our notary onboarding training, transaction simulator, and electronic stamp or seal. So this is great. This really fits into the type of side hustle that I like, where there's no startup fees. You can sign up for free. So how much will I get paid? You'll get $5 for your initial stamp or seal, and then $1 for each additional stamp or seal required by the customer in a given transaction. Notaries that are permitted to handle real estate transactions may receive both full real estate signing transactions or other trailing document transactions. So definitely, if you're a notary and you want to look into this, I would definitely recommend it. It sounds pretty cool. Some other bit of information that's really important to know. When will I get paid? Notaries can customize their payment frequency, which can be as frequent as daily. So that's really cool. You could potentially be paid daily from doing this as a side hustle in addition to your business. And then I really like this part. How much will I really make? So the thing that sticks out to me about this is notaries handling our retail traffic complete their transactions in 10 minutes on average. That means you could potentially make upwards of $20 to $40 per hour. So that's really cool. So once again, I think this is a really cool service. I think it's going to change the game. If you're ever looking for a notary, this is going to be an option for a lot of people. And I'll also mention, if you're seeing this and you're a business or an individual in need of a notary, and maybe you're not only looking for a job, but you're like, whoa, this would be great for my business, or this would be great so I don't have to try to find some bank. And if this is your first time learning about Notarize and you want to use the service for yourself or for your business, then be on the lookout for a link below. I think it's going to be a game changer. Now, something else I really want to talk about is, this is just a great remote side job that I wanted to share, but I also want to talk about how to find remote work. So I not only want to share this information with you and have you wait for another video to post, but you can go out and find these things yourself. So these are just some of the websites that I've seen that provide some really great opportunities for you to work remotely. First up is a website called Just Remote. So you just go to the website, justremote.co, and they are only focused on remote jobs. And as you can see here, they have a list of jobs that you can look through and check out. And then they also have this cool feature called Power Search. So Power Search discovers the remote jobs that don't get advertised. So what they state is that paying to advertise is expensive, so most companies promote just 30% of their open vacancies on job boards. So what Just Remote does is they hunt down the remaining 70% of jobs and make them accessible so you're not missing out on any opportunities. So now obviously definitely pay attention that this is going to be a cost. I do have a link in the description if you are interested in just checking out the website and possibly checking out Power Search. So I just wanted to just share that with you, and so you can check out the link in the description if you want to look more into that. Another cool website to check out is Upwork. So Upwork allows you to browse jobs that are also remote. So for example, here you can explore remote jobs, and they literally provide jobs from A to Z, anywhere from development and IT to admin and customer support, engineering and architect. So that's definitely another website for you to check out. So do some search, do some digging, and find some remote jobs so that you can work from home. And once again, I definitely have a link in the description if you want to get started with them as well. ZipRecruiter is another cool website to check out. So just by searching remote, they have listed over 1 million remote jobs available. And they also even give you some salary information for you to check out. And then what's pretty cool is that you can even get remote jobs sent straight to your inbox daily. And then lastly is a really well-known job search website called Indeed. So once again, you can just go here and type in remote, select remote, and they have hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of jobs that you can also look into. What I really like is being able to sort by date, and then it'll show you the jobs that, like this one right here, is a remote job. It was just posted. This is again another remote job making $65,000 to $80,000 a year, just posted. And I appreciate the interface because it gives you the information right here so you can look through and see if it's something that would fit your needs. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. And I'll be adding more content about remote work, side hustles, investing, and financial independence. So definitely like, subscribe for more content like this, and use the links in the description to support the channel. And stay tuned for more.